told me you brought me a helper.
I was just doing pictures. Wait a minute.
Okay, you gotta put it on video. I had it. All you had to do is hit it.
Yeah, but it. I know how to do it.
Oh my God, it's going. See? Look. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna pop. Here, come here. Okay, wait. Show me something. Look, I want you to go get that tie down for me. Granny, you brought me a helper, right? Okay, show me something.
I don't know who wants to talk more. Lexi or
Look at that. Okay, so you brought me a helper?
Yep.
The first job I've got. The first job, I need you to go up and get that tie down up there. It's only at 30. Do you think I would get any work done if I was talking all the time? Sasquatch. Oh my God, that's a freaking riot. She's
no,
saying
listen to her. What happened to Sasquatch? Tell
Yeah,
her.
but look who's on my shirt. This is a Father's Day present.
And he made the tree fall down.
At our house.
Yeah.
That's the third time he's been there then. We got his feet. Come on, Lexi, will you go up and get that for me? Or are you going to make me go get it?
I'm gonna go.
Okay, go get it.
Such a
Okay, I'll come with you. Okay, what's the OSHA standard for children?
God.
4 feet? I know you're crazy like me.
That little
I know
girl
you're
can
cray-cray.
climb, though.
I know you're cray-cray like me.
Between
Okay,
you and
she's gonna go the
Cameron,
whole
she
way.
is a
Hey, wait, you
climber
gotta see
and a
this doggy.
Huh?
Hey, come here. You gotta see this doggy. Neve! Neve! Come here. This is the most loving dog. She'll go the whole way.
She would go the whole way. Don't. That's high enough.
My errors and omissions insurance and workers' compensation doesn't cover me, let alone her.
No.
Right? Come on, baby. I know you'll go the whole way. You gotta let go. Come on, little Sasquatch. Oh no, we're falling. Woo!
You fell. What? 6 inches?
Okay, so I'll go up and get it. I was just teasing you about getting it. And then we can go to lunch. So Jethro called in sick again.
Make the tree fall down.
I know, he's done that before. He did it to our fence, remember? If you go back on Farmer Jeep.
He did it everywhere.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of trees he knocked down, huh?
Farmer Jeep Normandin on YouTube, and you'll see where he knocked the fence down the one time, and then...
And he scratched them.
He scratched the trees.
that's bears, too.
No, and he also scratched the side of the house, didn't he?
Oh, bears do that, too. Okay, baby.
Our house.
I know your house. So
No,
anyway,
she's talking
I'm gonna
about
go up and
where
get
we live. You too.
I know. I'm glad she set the ladders up for me. That's all.
Yeah,
So
she's a
Jethro
strong
called
little
in sick
booger.
again. Jethro called in sick again.
Okay, maybe not. Maybe I don't like this. Holy shibby.
I'm so angry at Scratch. Grandma, show me something. Come here.
Hold on, you want to videotape Papa Jeep?